In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create agents for your guest in the event programming tool. Let's jump into the platform and take a look. After logging in, go to the event programming section in the toolbar and select Guest. Here you will see a list of all the guests that have been added. You can also see their respective agent. There are a few ways to create an agent. In this example, we're going to be looking at how to add an agent after a guest has been added. But you can also add one when a guest is added. For more information on adding agents during guest creation, check out our video on adding guest. Select the guest you would like to add an agent for. Scroll down to the agent section. Here you can select any previously added agent by selecting them from the agent drop-down menu. Or you can add a new one by clicking Add. Add the agent's name and contact information in their respective fields. You can also select the agent's agency from the agency drop-down menu, or add a new one.